Tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add a functioning hyperlinked button in any type of web builder, even Acuity scheduling. So this is if you want to link to another website. This could be linked to a document. It's all types of places you can link it. And it looks like a button instead of just a regular hyperlink that you would just copy and paste. So it's just giving you a little more personalization on your website or on your booking site if you want to add a button for people to click. So let's get into it. I have a finished button here already, but I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do to create your own button just like this and put it onto your website. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to the left side of your screen in Canva, and you're going to type button in the search area. It's going to bring up the graphics that are buttons. You can choose whatever you want to choose. I already have a blank page here, so we're just going to click on one of the button options. You can change the colors of this button. So I'm just going to change the pink I'm going to change them to pink and yellow just because it's matching my branding a little better. So you're going to expand it, and you're going to make it almost as big as the white space around it. Don't get too hung up on the white space because we are going to get rid of the white space at the end. So the next thing you want to do is you're going to add some text. So I'm just going to add text and change it to whatever font I want to change it to. You can just say click here. And you can put click here for whatever you want to put it for. If you need it to be smaller, just go up there to the top and reduce the size. So you can say click here for an instant price quote, and I'm gonna actually make that on 2 lines. So there we go. We have it on 2 lines, and you can make it larger, smaller. You can even change the line spacing and make everything closer together. So that's just what I'm doing there, moving it down. If I want to make it bold, I can do that as well. I think I do want to make it bold. And then we're going to leave it like that. You can even underline it if you want, so they understand that it is a hyperlink. You can change that black font to blue, just in case you don't know if they're going to be able to make it into a hyperlink. Or to figure out that it's a hyperlink. So now that we have that there, that's just the basics. You can play around with this. You can edit your button, choose from the elements, whichever buttons you want to use. So then we're going to go up here to the top right corner and click share. And then we're going to go down to download, and we're going to go to PNG. Now here is the important part, because you want this to look like a button. You do not want it to look like a big white box with a button in the middle. So you are going to want to click on transparent background. And since we already downloaded the first one, I'm just going to choose page 2 because that's the one we just made. And then I'm going to click download. So we're going to give it a minute. It's going to download. And then we're going to go back over into our Acuity booking site. So if you can see, I have the original one that I made is there, but I'm going to take it away. So let's insert our new image that we just created. And let's let it upload. There it is. Okay, so there is our button that we just created. And if you click on the button that you uploaded and then click the word edit, this is where you can put a hyperlink. You can leave the title blank if you want. It's totally up to you. I'm just going to name it instant price quote, right? Okay. And then we're going to find our link. So I made a form in Adobe Acrobat. I'm just going to go copy my link and head back over to Acuity and pop that link right in there. You can choose to open in a new tab or leave it in the same window. Position, I'm going to position this in the center, and then I'm going to click save. So now you see it's in the center. I added my hyperlink. And then we're going to save our changes at the bottom, and we're going to visit our client page. So here's the client page. Click here for an instant price quote is the button I created. And then we're going to click on it. And look, we have our online price estimator. They can go in here and fill this in, get their instant price quote. Down at the bottom, it'll give them a breakdown of what they got. This is an older version of the form, so the newer version, they can just click on a drop down to choose their quantity for everything, but it will add everything up at the bottom, and that's how you would hyperlink your own button in Acuity or any other type of web builder. And let me just to make sure that we have a transparent button, I'm going to change the background color of my scheduler just to make sure that our button is completely clear. So let's see. All right, cool. So if we save the changes again, and then we visit our client scheduling page again, you can see that there is no white box around that. It is just a button by itself, and then you'd click there to have that link embedded like that. So hopefully that helps. If you want to customize buttons in Acuity or any other website, that is how you do it. If you have questions or want to learn more, I will put my contact info in the description. And if you're already in the online price estimator course, this video will be included in your Q&A section.